Okay, welcome to an unboxing of some computer parts that I bought from Aria PC. Ordered them yesterday and they've come today. So when I went into this was delivered, I got really excited. No, it's not the H100i. As you can see on the box, it says it's a reused box and it's empty. Well, it doesn't have the original contents in. So, oh well, I think there should be 3 things in here, so we'll just go and open that up. Just get a knife, slice on the edge. It's open. Right, see if that's open now. Here we go. Set that back down again. Okay, so in here have lots of packaging. Right, so here we have a Western Digital black hard drive, 1 terabyte, and here we have an Intel i7 processor. This is the 4770K, so it's overclockable at the moment. I think it's 3.5 gigahertz, so we'll have a look at that later. SSD Samsung 840 Evo, and that's 120 gigabytes. Put that over there with the others. And in the bottom, that's delivery receipt, don't need that. And we have a, I think it's a Samsung? No, don't know what it is. It's just a disk drive, optical drive there, SATA. Right, so if we get rid of all the boxes, don't need that anymore. Packaging, don't need that. Right, so if we have a look, I don't know if this comes with a cooler or not. So, let's open this. As you can see, it's 4 cores. It's got hyper-threading, I believe. Yep, hyper-threading, and it's got a graphics card in it, but I won't be using that in my build. Sorry about that. I realised I needed 2 hands to open the box instead of 1 holding the camera, so I had to get my tripod. So here's the processor. As I said again, 4770K, and it's a 1150 socket. So I already cut the seal, so we have a look inside. Slide it out the box. Ah, there we go. So we have the cooler here, the Intel one. What we don't want to do is touch the compound. There's a plastic cover on here. So if we lower out the box, there we go. That's the cooler in there. The cable's nicely wrapped around the fan, and also in the box we have the actual processor itself. Let's try and get that out. How does that come out there then? There we go, there's the chip. So it's in a nice plastic cover here. And you have the pins on the bottom as well. Let's put that aside. So you've already got a thermal compound on, so you don't need to apply any to the chip. Also in the box we have a McAfee, what was that? Free trial of McAfee, and then we have the manual and instructions for the processor itself, and a nice sticker on there to put on your case. It also says it's got a 3-year limited warranty, the logo which is on the back, and these are the instructions. Okay, so that's what you get in there. Okay, next we have the Samsung solid state drive. So on the back you can see it says SATA 6 gigabits per second, compatible with 3 gigabits, 3-year warranty as well, which is good. So in here we should have the solid state drive manual, warranty and installation guide. So let's have a look. Get the knife, could open the seal, here we go. Here, oh, it's black. And there it is. Very light. 120 gig. Standard SSD, really. Underneath we get the installation guide, which is pictures. How to put it into a laptop. So we'll be using this side. How to put it into a desktop. That's another video. Let's put that over there. Oh, got some stickers. This is a warranty statement. Better keep this one. And we have the is that the manual and software and installation disc. That's that in there, nice hole in the bottom so you can push that out nice and easily. And now in this protective packaging we have the Western Digital hard drive, 1 terabyte. So try and open this. Can this slide out? Yep, so that's just packaging, don't need that. It's a hard drive anti-static bag there. Ooh, interesting. There, so you've got the chip there, you'll see. Connectors on the back. Nothing much to see, I won't take it out, but you know. So 1 terabyte there, Western Digital, and there's SATA again for a desktop hard drive. You can see how big it is. That's that one. The last one we have is the optical drive. It's a DVD writer. So it comes in this bag, not sealed or anything. So we have the tells you SATA power and the signal, and you can see that on the side there. Just a metal box really. Use your mounting screws. And we have the front, there you go. Obviously to open the drive, and that should just slot into the case when we get it.